Hey everybody, it's Mike Vondruska with Mike's Mexico Adventures. Listen, I am at the Mexico City Airport, just flew in from Veracruz. It's a 45-minute quick flight. And I have the whole day as a layover until this evening when I fly again to Chicago. And so I'm going to the downtown area. I'm going to take the metro, but I stored my luggage at one of the lockers. There's two lockers here at the Mexico City Airport. One is near gate 1, Puerta 1, and the other one is right over here, right there. And this is near just before gate 8. So it's on the other side of the terminal. Speaking of terminals, there's two terminals here. I'm in Terminal 1, the main terminal. Bear in mind, there's a new airport that's going to open up in like 2019, 2020. So this is the existing one, the old one. So if you're watching this video in 2020, all right, disregard all this information because they're going to tear this down, I believe, and make housing at this airport. So then I'll do another video for the new airport. All right, now I gotta go find the metro, and it's three rides to get to the very, very downtown Mexico City called the Zocalo, where the main church is, the kind of the center of the city, so to speak. All right. Just something to consider when you're here. There's a lot of places where you can exchange money. I would shop around. They're not all the same price. From the Mexico City Airport, you can also catch buses. You can buy tickets, and right from the airport, you can go to all these different places and more. If you're in Terminal 1 here at the Mexico City Airport, you need to get to Terminal 2. There is a train that'll take you between the two terminals. In Terminal 1, between doors 5 and 6, on the second floor, you're going to find the entrance to it. You're going to need your ticket to show the people to get on the train to go from one place to the other. So make sure you have that on hand. And this is what it looks like on the second floor. You would just take that walkway and go straight up and follow the signs for the train. It's very easy. There's a picture of a train. If you want to save some money and not take a taxi into town from the airport here in Mexico City, you can do one of two other things. You can also take the metro bus, which is about 30 pesos, or you can take the subway, the metro, which is 5 pesos. That's it, 5 pesos, it's like 20-some cents. So that's a pretty good deal. And that's what I'm going to do right now. To find that place, you're going to go to the very end of the Terminal 1 to door number 1. Puerta 1. And then walk out and turn left. And then you're going to walk down this walkway behind me. Until you reach the station. Once you reach the bottom into the subway, you're going to go to this ticket office right here, Taquilla, and buy your ticket. And then you'll use the ticket to go through the turnstile. After you go through the turnstile, you're going to see this sign right here. And then you're going to go down these stairs because you have to cross underneath the subway trains to get to the other side so that you can go to Pantitlán. So you're going to go down, and then you're going to go up. And you're going to go to the end of the line. pretty short. It isn't that long. It's the end of the line, and so the train will stop, and then you're going to get out and you're going to see this sign. Now you're going to want to follow the pink sign where it says Untitled Observatorio, line 1. So you're going to go down these stairs. And then you're going to turn left. And then you're going to turn left again and go down another flight of stairs. And you come into this big open area, and if you look to your right, you're going to see Untitled Observatorio. Right there, that sign. So you're going to follow that sign. Okay, now here's where it might get a little tricky, so you just have to pay attention. But as you're coming down this aisle, you don't want to continue straight, okay? It says no passe, don't pass. You want to turn to the right and then go down the stairs. And at the bottom of the stairs, you're going to turn left. And you will see this sign right here. It's a pink sign, Observatorio. And wait for the train, as all these other people are doing. Wasn't fast enough to get on that train. Those doors close pretty fast, so once the train stops, get on the train as soon as possible, or you're gonna miss it like I did. So I gotta wait for the next one. Okay, once you're on the train, then you're going to go 9 stops to a stop called Pinas Suarez. 9 stops. It's going to take a little while. And this is my new friend right here.
Hi.
He's looking at my YouTube channel. He's checking it out. Once you get off at Pinas Suarez, when you exit the train, you're going to turn right, and you're going to look for this sign coming up right here. Once you reach this sign, Correspondencia, Cuatro Caminos, you'll turn left. Go through this narrow passage right here. And then as you turn right, you're going to turn right again and go down the stairs. And then you go up the stairs, or the escalator. Once you reach the top of the escalator, You can either go left or right. You want to go right. And keep following this sign. Por cuatro caminos. There's another one straight ahead, so follow that sign. Then you're going to angle to your right. And keep walking. As you're walking, you want to follow the blue sign, and you notice it does kind of like a U-turn. So you're going to continue on. And then you're going to start to make that U-turn. So you'll see to your left, there's another sign for cuatro caminos. So you continue this way, and here's the U-turn. And then you're going to go down the stairs. Now I just have one more train, and you're right there. As soon as you come down, you're right there, and just wait for the train, and you're going to only take it one stop, and you should end up right at the Zocalo in downtown Mexico City. And if you don't end up there, you did something wrong. Ask somebody. Oy, oy, oy. They're coming out. I hope they're coming out. Yep. Now I gotta squish in. It's full now. It's nice and cozy in here. Once you get off the train, now you can look for the exit, which is salida. I'm going to take the stairs. When you reach the top of the stairs, you're going to turn right, and then turn right again, and head down this hallway, past this display, if it's still here. When you come, this is a Templo Mayor, and you are looking for the sign that says A Cathedral, Salida A Cathedral, which I can see it, it's up there, right there. So straight ahead, you can enter by the cathedral, or if you want, you can turn right, and the sign there says the Palacio Nacional, the palace where they conduct business. You can go that way. So either way works, that way or to the cathedral. I'm going to show you the cathedral.
Llévate el libro para que la nena de pesos. Son para coronar a 10 pesos.
Para el niño de plano.
Se van a 10, se van a 10 pesos.
And look at that. Right in the center here, where the cathedral is. The administration building there. I don't know what something's going on here, so they've walled it out, but that's the main plaza right in this area. And so you're here. To get back to the airport, just reverse everything I showed you. So I hope that helped. I made it all the way from the airport to the downtown central plaza, which is called the Zocalo, for under 30 cents.